Top remote jobs you can do from home in 2025. Looking for legit remote work from home jobs in 2025? Whether you're a student, fresher, or professional, these are the best remote jobs that pay well, offer flexibility, and don't even need experience. Number 1. Remote software engineer. Salary from $110,000 to $120,000. Tech companies are always hiring developers for remote IT jobs. Even beginners can start with simple coding tasks or QA testing. It's one of the top remote careers with six-figure potential. No degree? No problem. Learn Python, JavaScript, or React online and start applying to remote jobs hiring immediately. We also offer free online diploma in software engineering. Link in description of this video. Number 2. Remote digital marketer. Salary from $90,000 to $100,000. If you love social media, SEO, or content creation, this is one of the best remote jobs for freshers and college students. From managing campaigns to writing blogs, there are tons of online work-from-home remote jobs that don't need interviews. You can even start part-time. We offer free online certificates so that you can apply in next 5 hours. Check link in description, and also check our playlist online course, or click top right corner now for all free online course. Number 3. Remote customer support. Salary from $85,000 to $65,000. Companies hiring remote workers need friendly people to chat, email, or help customers. This is perfect if you want remote jobs with no degree, no experience, or even remote jobs you can do on your phone. It's stable, simple, and one of those remote jobs that are always hiring. Apply for few jobs available which are updated today. Other popular roles include content writers, virtual assistants, and healthcare admin. Yes, there are even remote healthcare administration jobs. From part-time remote jobs for students to high-paying remote careers, the list just keeps growing. So, how do you start? Check the link in description and get started, or comment, "I want to work remotely." Remote work is the future, and the future is now. Subscribe for more remote jobs opportunities and start your dream work-from-home career today.